Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts. My goal now, I have around 320k in this account. If you've been watching it grow, if you've been watching me take out money, and I actually spend from this account as well. My debit card is connected to the crypto account on Bybit, so it's really amazing. You can make money, invest in it, and I can also spend it from my Bybit card. So it's a beautiful system. I highly recommend you learn. The links are down below. I'm going to now try 320k. I'm mainly in cash. I sold some positions. I halved my positions. Uniswap, Bitcoin. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set low buy orders. In case Bitcoin has a big dump and the market panics again, I'm going to have low buy orders execute. And my goal is multiplication of this 300k. Massive multiplication. I also have other accounts and investments, but I'm just going to show you how I trade this account. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So going into the market, this is my watch list. And you can see SUI up, bouncing back, MCRT bouncing back. And none of this is financial information. You have to consult your brokers, do your own due diligence. And you can see FXF having a big bounce back. Tech stocks are up in pre-market as well, which is beautiful. I'm still heavy. Tesla had a massive day yesterday, or the day before. So now what I want to do, one, the problem is here, this is all the crypto markets. And you can see here we broke this orange 1-year trend line. Goes back all the way. This trend line started back in December 2022 and we've broken it now. We're underneath it, you see? But we did have a wick. We did have a hammer candle. This is showing strength on the weekly of the crypto markets. The big support though is at 935 billion, so we can easily have a big wick down. I could even say the real main support is 820 billion. So there could be even a 20% drop on this if we don't regain the support. 4 hourly, weekly, we're oversold. Daily, we're oversold. Weekly, we're still coming down. Monthly, we're very overbought, so we can really correct hard. So that means my strategy now is to set big buy orders on altcoins in case they nuke. So now I'm going to go over on Bybit, and I want to have FXS, BNB if it nukes. BNB, in my opinion, one of the biggest companies, but it's got a lot of headwinds now. It broke its support line also. Look at this. Whoa. It's got a big support line at 186, but there's a lot of pressure on BNB right now. It is one of the, if BNB manages to get through all these cases, which it will, there's a lot of FUD. We could try to pick up BNB at 186. So I'm going to put a buy order, 311,000 in this account. I'm going to put a trade order for BNB. I'm going to put it at 187. Like just a low ball, I'll put a $30,000. No, let's do 50, because then the orders will lock the currency. So okay, let's do a $50,000 buy at 187, expecting a big bounce. So it's just the $50,000 of BNB at 187. Chook. So if it spikes down there, which it's pretty close to actually, it's 180, 214. It could even come to 123. Okay, let's split it and do it at 123. So I'm gonna modify this buy order. I'm gonna split it. I'm gonna do it at 187. I'll do 20,000. 20,000. No, 10,000 at 187. $10,000 worth at 187, and then at 123. 123. I'll do another $20,000. At 123 price. This is on BNB. That's nice. That would be a nice pickup. Doge also, I sold half of the position, but I still hold a lot of it. Doge major support. Whoa. A lot of weeks. Look at this. A lot of these big weeks up. A lot of support here. But it can easily weak down to 156. Easy. It's multiple times came down if there's any FUD news. But the volume is starting to climb actually. But it can easily weak to 154. Even lower. 153. Let's make buy orders on Doge at 153. I'm typing on my side. Doge. I'm going to buy at 0.053. 0.053. And I'll buy $20,000 worth of Doge at that price, which will be beautiful. 0.053. Confirm. And then I'm going to exit when they bounce, like strongly, you know what I mean? Doge. I also want to get Tesla. I'm buying more of at this point. Uniswap came down to my buy orders. It executed and then I exited them. But the strong support, $3.60. These guys can make new lows. People not expecting this. But I want to pick up on the bounce on the strong support just to make 20-30% on these. So I'm going to buy at $3.60, and that would be amazing if I get it at $3.60. Such a nice entry for the bull run. Uniswap $3.60, possible. And I'm gonna buy $3.60. I'll buy. I want to have a lot of Uniswap, $50,000 worth at $3.60. So I've got now 131,000 USD, but 31,000 not allocated yet. $34,000 in Bitcoin, $28,000 in Uniswap, $23,000 in MCRT, $22,000 in Doge, and FXS 6,700. But now I've got these buy orders laddered down for Uni, Doge, BNB. That's what I'm going to buy in altcoins. And let's go into Bitcoin to see where I would do trade. I closed my trade last night in profits like $600 because it broke this trend line. Maybe it can get back in. But what you're seeing here is a giant rising triangle or rising wedge. Builds pressure, builds and breaks down. So I think Bitcoin can be dumping to 16. Even coming strong support is 18K. I hope not. I hope the Elliott wave count now is just, it's the reset. But if you look on the weekly, I did an Elliott wave count last night on the weekly. Look at this. First wave, second to third impulse, third to fourth corrective, fourth to fifth impulse, and small. And then if it does ABC correction, it could be something like this. Can be something like this and coming down to 18K, and that's where I'm going to set a lot of buy orders. But hopefully it doesn't happen. Strong supports are here and 16.4 and 20,000. These are my buy orders for Bitcoin. I won't buy at 24. I've got a little bit now, but now I'm going to set buy orders at 20,000 and 16,000, which would be beautiful. If you want to do all of this under the videos down below, go down on number 1. You can learn James Crypto Guru, take the Crypto Master Course. 2, trading on Bybit. Using that link, you get a $30,000 bonus. Second biggest exchange, and in my opinion, one of the safe. I love using them, but you have to do your own due diligence. Join the Telegram. There's 9,000 investors and traders inside that Telegram that you can all talk together. The links are all down below. Some of the gains of me and my students, you can see like $67,000 profits. This was a student, 863%. This student 47,000, 16,000. This person 30,000. He's a star. This trader is amazing. 510 source. This person 46,000, 100%, and you can just see like lots and lots of them. Also, everyone, I want to remind you that if you're getting privately messaged by me in any social, if you're speaking to me in private messages, most likely it's a scammer account. There's thousands of them. My team tries to close them all the time. They're reporting them all the time. They're messaging everyone. They somehow contact family members of mine, send pictures. So if you're talking to me in private messages, it's fake. I will never ask you for money. I will not ask you to send me anything. This is all for free, these videos. The courses you can take if you want, learn or read the book Technical Analysis for the Financial Markets. It's not my book. It's an amazing book that will teach you a lot of this. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.